How to stop payment on a check. Not sure how to stop payment on a check? Send this letter to your bank. Please follow the link in the description to start filling the form. Begin with your first and last name at the top, an example John Doe. Next, enter your current address. Address line 1, 123 Example Street, Unit 1. Address line 2, New York, NY, 12345. Choose your document date. Now input the bank name, an example Bank Example LLC. Next, enter bank address line 1, Street Example 123. Bank address line 2, Miami, Florida, 54321. Then write your check number, 111222. Account number, 123456789. Now enter your first and last name again, John Doe. Input last 4 digits of your social security number, 9876. Date of birth, October 10, 1975. Then, enter your address again, 123 Example Street, Unit 1, New York, New York 12345. Next, text your phone number, 123-456-7890. And an email address you own, example@example.com. Now, scroll down to the document end, then enter your first and last name under the text, Sincerely, John Doe. Good job, your document is ready. Check your personal information one more time, and click to the Buy button. Proceed with the payment to download and print out the document from your computer. Finally, send a check cancellation letter to your bank by email, mail, or deliver in person. Important. You can keep a document copy on your computer, but it's better to keep a hard copy of the one you sign and send. Always keep a copy of the document, certified mail receipt, payment receipt, so you have a record. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Looking for a particular document form, kindly leave a comment below, and we will consider your request. Thanks for watching.